In a peaceful kingdom lived a beautiful princess named Aria. She loved the birds in her castle's garden very much. One day, Princess Aria found a wounded golden bird. With great care, she nursed the bird back to health.
Don't worry, little bird. I will take care of you until you are well.
After healing, the golden bird transformed into a beautiful large bird. Before flying into the sky, it thanked Aria.
Thank you, Princess Aria. Your kindness will not be forgotten.
Princess Aria felt happy because her kindness made a difference. She learned that a kind heart always brings miracles. Princess Aria's story teaches that kindness and care for others can bring about miracles in our lives.